thumbnail grabbed me because he had up Alicia and her mom, and he titled it "Well Planned." So he's saying, which is not the first, she just wanted to come to America. So the fact that he had the wedding pictures up and he said he was going to play a clip, it's the AI stuff. Like, it's not making any. You could see, like, the pain and the pain that shows in his face is the anger that he could not get her deported. And it's like whenever her moms come, you know, it pisses him off more. It's so absurd. Like, I was married for 23 years. And we dated for 2 years, so in total, 25 years. And the marriage fell apart. You know, my husband did a lot of good things for myself and my family. But for me, you can... Initially, I was angry. But here's the thing, Boo was the one who filed for divorce twice. You know, and how can you want somebody that is half your age to behave and think the way you do? That's asking for a lot. There is no transformation. Two different era attitude mindset. And as I said, for him, he is so angry. For me, if anybody say anything about my ex, I go ham on their ass. And I was dating somebody, and you know, he was like, couldn't he fix the house better and give it to you? I'm like, you're a general contractor. At least I got a house. So you say you love me, so now you need to do the rest. And remember, he got so angry with me. Like, he tried to do me something that was very scary, you know, because he just continued on and on, you know, about my ex. There was more good than bad. And after some point in your life, you've got to move on and let go. It's like he's going to let this stuff take him to his grave. And he's just angry that he could not get her deported. That's all it is. He wants her out of America. Look at his face. I'm paying this stupid stuff that is irrelevant. Oh my gosh. I have to fast forward him. You got something. Or maybe you're just going to ignore him. Charlie have on this red glasses.
What going me, G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, you know see this? Rain a fall, breeze a blow. You don't know the song. Rain a fall, breeze a blow, chicken patty out the door. Guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. What a go on, guys. Me say me out here. We don't see how the breeze a blow. But we just want My beautiful, splendacious, fabulous, amazinacious subscribers, how no do what a gwan out there. Guys, let me show you what here. Rain a fall. Guys, me did out a door. Say me I go make a video so each and every one of you can see the nice place and you know how the place look. But guys, you see the fire way over Canada there, the smoke I come across and you can smell it too. So welcome guys to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV, the place where me talk the truth and me talk my mind and me no worry about if you want vex yes or no. Guys, wellness check, you don't do it yet? Do it. Guys, me go make a little changes in my video them. So wellness check, please me I beg you to do the wellness check. Guys, you know say a good while now me no give you nothing about Alicia Kim, yeah? A good while now, me just give her a break and me just give the situation a break and me a watch what I want and me a see what I want. But guys, it a get from bad to worse again. And guys, me go say so and I don't want to make many videos. But this one, I'm going to make this one because me see Mackie make a video. And Mackie is saying that Alicia Kim and this man did a connect and phone number and him buy her a phone and it look like she give him the phone number and one heap of something. But guys, what me really want to say is this. Mackie, anytime Alicia Kim mother come in America, it look like all part of your body drop. It look as if all part of your body drop because your issue and your problem really is because you wish Alicia Kim was deported back to Jamaica. Your whole idea is you wanted Alicia Kim to go back to Jamaica because you want her to suffer. But the grace of God and the goodness of the good Lord, she is not suffering because of January she born. And she no make nothing get her down because January people no make nothing get them down. January people is called the comebackers of the earth. You can beat a January person. Go, you can beat them comeback. But one thing you will never do to a January person is get them off of the direction where them set out to go. And that's why you're so bitter about Alicia Kim. Look what going on out there. Yo, hold on. Let me move off a little bit so you can get to see a little bit of what going on out there. But guys, that's the reason why you stay that the way when it come on to Alicia. That's why you change and turn that way when it come on to her. Because there's no way you should be acting in that kind of way when it come on to Alicia Kim. No way at all. You shouldn't act that way. You should never act that kind of way at all. My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, what's going on, how you doing, how you stay out there. Happy birthday to each and everyone out there. Happy birthday to all of my beautiful subscribers, them. Happy birthday to each and every one of you. Today is the 21st. Today is the 21st, yeah? Yeah, I think today is the 21st. So, may I say happy birthday to each and every one of you. And guys, I hope you don't feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, remember if you do, check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor, and make the doctor come at your house. Guys, you know, say, me, you see up front there? Me have one screen record of a lady who said, I asked her permission. She gave me permission to put that out there. And also, there's a video of a naked man. His ex is getting married, and he decided to protest the wedding. And his protesting of the wedding was to go to the wedding naked, because he might try to stop the wedding. Now, the reason why I put this video on there, I'm just trying to show you how far some people will go just to try to mess up their ex life. Guys, I'm just trying to show you how far people really will go just to mess up their ex life. You see how far this man go? Do you see how far this man go naked? There was a guy there with a pupil, could have taken his 3 pints. Nobody know if he can swim. He end up have to jump in the ocean. So guys, the reason why I put this video there is just to show you that a man will do just about anything to mess up their ex life and just to make their ex look bad. Just like what Mackie is doing. Now guys, I see Mackie come out talking about court and talking about Alicia Kim was communicating with her baby father all along. Now, I realized something, and I have noticed something, that whenever time Alicia Kim's mother come into the US, Mackie get more distraught and look like him I go out of mind, because we all know Mackie whole initial issue was to get Alicia Kim deported after him divorce her. Only if you know Alicia Kim have her head stuck on her body and not on her shoulder. So now Alicia Kim is now living in the United States. Just like 1, 2, 3. The video says, well planned. But Mackie, what I'm going to say to you right now, Mackie, is them never, listen me good, you know, Mackie. Because you say you pray for bad things happen to people, because you look like you are Jesus. But listen me good. Remember, Alicia Kim never come look for you. She never walk, come and look for you. You went looking for her because you believe the ATM machine is there. But it didn't work out the way you want if it work. So everything backfire upon you. So the thing is, you out there blaming Alicia Kim and saying, oh, Alicia Kim was talking to this man all along. Now, let me ask you something, Mackie. When you were communicating with Alicia Kim, weren't you with Betty? Or is another name? If you have another name, let us know the other name. But weren't you in a relationship? That's why the time that you can call Alicia Kim have to be a certain time. You was in a relationship when you was having dialogue with Alicia Kim. If what you said is true, all Alicia Kim was doing is have friends just like everybody else. If she and him go to school and they feel like they want to keep communication, they keep communication. That's not fornication. That's communication. You see what I say? Lyrics. That's communication and not fornication, because they wasn't doing anything that was wrong. You was doing something that was wrong. You was committing adultery. Well, I would say adultery because you never did married to Betty. You was cheating. You was cheating on Betty with Alicia Kim. You see how funny the world is? That's how funny the world is. You was with a woman when you were sugarcoating Alicia Kim with all of the woman money too. You was using the woman money for fantasize and energize and make Alicia Kim feel say you got money. You promise her gold when you not got not even silver, not even bronze. But you have Betty money where for some reason Betty have to sell the house and you get some of the money. So the thing is, you coming out every time making videos talking about now you realize. No, Mackie, let me say this to you. Now you realize that Alicia Kim was doing all mother of evil with you. Now you realize. So let me ask you something. The way how you did watch Alicia Kim, sorry, I have my excuse. The way how you did watch Alicia Kim, see, how the hell did Alicia Kim get to do so much things? Because remember, the phone that you have, remember, you was eavesdropping in that house too. You was recording everything. So my question to you is, how didn't you catch all of that? So in other words, what I would say is Alicia Kim smarter than you, or what you would say? Is that what you would say? Alicia Kim outsmart you at your own game. So what you're saying, or what I should say, Alicia Kim outsmart you at your own dirty game. Because you, apparently you bring her into the country for you and your sister use her as a ATM bank figure get another house where you can work the house and then get the equity out of the house. And then it all left on her. But it never happened because she's smart. But let me say this to you, Mackie. If I was you, I would pack it up. Because you can't talk till thy kingdom come. There's only a set of people that is going to believe you. And the set of people that is going to believe you is just like you. I see in your comment section, say people saying, we are here for you. No problem with that. You can be here for anybody, but let me also say this to you. The time you're getting up making videos and watching Alicia Kim videos, because you're watching you are watch Alicia Kim video and I say, boy, you know, that could have been me. That should have been me over at France match. That could have been me traveling. That could have been me and Alicia Kim mother. Wow, man, I messed up. But you know, I tell the people, them say, yeah, I say that. You mess up. But my thing is to you is, I mean, want to say this to you. Why not leave Alicia Kim alone for good and go into the weight industry, the exercise industry, the health food industry? You beat prostate cancer. Not many people beat prostate cancer. My dad did make it. My dad did not make it. You make it. You beat it. My question to you is, why you don't just take up yourself and move on to the next level and get into that exercise, that healthy food, and live a life that it can benefit you, and at least try to rent a place of your own. I don't know if the last time I checked, you was still at your sister's house. But I remember you said that the house that your sister live in is your house because you give her the money to buy the house. I wonder what you and your sister did say when that happened. Because the last time me checked, your name never there on the deed. And unless you are post drugs or you are do something wrong, that's the only way your sister's name would be on the deed. And it's not like you buy the house when Alicia Kim was coming to the United States. Your sister house where them living in. Oh, Lord Jesus. The house them where your sister then living in. And I know them buy a long time. So unless you did a post drugs that you don't want it in your name. My viewers and subscribers, Mackie see Alicia Kim and her mother moving around New Jersey. And him head gets swell up because him realized that because of Alicia Kim, our mother can fly in and out the United States, in and out, and have fun. And his whole idea is to let Alicia Kim don't have nothing named fun. But Mackie, the only thing I go tell you is, you go watch them until your eye drop out. Because remember me tell you, me see your subscribers, them I say, if you remember, I say God not sleep. But me go say the same thing to you. Remember, I say God not sleep. Only God know exactly what happened. Only God can fix anything what you say happen. But always remember, you was the one who divorced her, not she. You was the one who divorced her. Guys, listen me good. Me did I make that video here, and me did outside I make it, and me do something, and no record, the device wasn't recording in the first part of the video. So I have to remake the first part of the video, and then I go attach it on to the next part of the video. So the next part of the video go look like this. It wasn't coming to you that she could have been your daughter, that you was with a woman while you was talking to her over the phone. It wasn't coming to you to say the reason why you set a time. There was a time when you call her that you have to call her a certain time because you were with another woman. Why are you making it look as if Alicia Kim was cheating on you with whosoever? Down at that place, those are boat houses. Those houses are on the river. See them? They are all houses, but they are boats. They can move whenever time they're ready, move to a different spot, and come back at that spot if they want to. But they are all boat houses. Yeah, man, they are all boat houses. So, guys, you're watching the video and you're liking the video so far. Do you like the video yet? Do you share the video yet? Comment on the video. Show the video. Have some, interaction with the video. Like and share and comment. And guys, remember, domestic violence is serious. Domestic violence is serious. So we go look out for each other. And guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy birthday when it comes. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. So guys, me could go back to this thing. This brother here, I operate like him as the smartest man. Look how long this thing a go on. Look how long this woman, hold on. Look how long you divorce the woman and you still have problem with the lady. Why? You still have problem? Yeah, because you believe she was going to be deported. You believe that she was going to be in Jamaica suffering. You believe that she was going to be out of a job, out of work, don't have no money, suffering. That's what you believe, because that's what you wanted. But that's not what you get. And because that's not what you get, you're bitter. You're bitter when it comes on to Alicia Kim and her family. You're a wicked man. You're a wicked old man. And look on your face. Hey, look on your face. Look how you look. People are talking about how you look nice and how you look this and you look that. But anytime you look refined is when you not think about Alicia Kim. Anytime you look refined is when you not have Alicia Kim on your brain. But most of it, you have Alicia Kim on your brain because guess what? Alicia Kim, I go bury you. Hey, you have heart failure. Hey, me say your body. When you sit down and you look at how Alicia Kim a flourish. When you look and see how life a go for her and things a go for her, your heart and your mind and your dirty body and your dirty mind are sinking in a hole. It's full time now. You give the young lady. It's full time now. You give the young lady space. Yeah, man. It's full time now. You give the young lady space. You out there and make video talking about what you think happened. Now, let me say this to you. Let me say this to you. You are talking about what you think happened. You was with a woman while dating her, while talking to her, even when you go to Jamaica. Even when you go to Jamaica, you didn't have the woman. It take you 3 months before you could have go to Jamaica. And the reason why it take you 3 months before you could have go to Jamaica, you never have the money. And you go to Jamaica because that was the time when, and the thing about you, you know, that majority of these people don't understand is that because you see who Alicia Kim was, you decided that that was the time you want to broke off everything with the woman. So you did not stop until you get her to sell the house. But yet still you come out talking about now you see what was going on. Now you see what was going on. Now you see what? If you don't have anything to prove, because at that time when you divorce her and she leave to New Jersey, you was not with the woman. When she moved to New Jersey, that's not none of your business. Because at that point, everything gone, everything done. So how you believe that you should be worrying and thinking about what she do with her life after you gone about your business? See, this is the problem. You are not the first person that was in a relationship and the relationship go left. You are not the first and you will not be the last. And you are not the first person who buy a woman a vegetable peeler Yeah, you won't be the first or the last person to buy a woman a vegetable peeler. No, you will not be the first or the last person to do that. Remember that. But that does not mean that you and your subscribers is going to dictate to her and tell her what not to do and what to do. All you have to do is realize within yourself that the woman is gone and you have a life to live. Move on. But no, you believe that you should talk about this woman for what, the rest of your life? Let me say this. When I listened to your video yesterday, because to be honest with you, I see the video and somebody in the comment section say how she says she not like red. I do not like kiwi. Yeah, I don't like kiwi. But I'll drink a juice, strawberry with kiwi, apple with kiwi. Yeah, but I don't like kiwi. Me nah go eat no kiwi. Wait, guys, flood out there. This is serious rain. I will not eat kiwi or drink drinks with kiwi alone. No, I will not do that because I don't like kiwi like that. But if kiwi is mixed with something, I will drink it. I'm going to drink it. So if Alicia Kim doesn't like red, that does not mean she cannot wear or go around something that have red in it. So I don't understand the logics towards the whole thing. She says she don't like red, but she still wear and use the red because of you. So I don't get the whole thing of you coming out, making this video, talking about she was communicating with this man while in Jamaica. You was communicating with her while you were with a woman in America. Not saying wrong is wrong and right is wrong. If you're wrong, you're wrong. If you're right, you're right. But at the same time, you is saying that she was communicating with a man in America. Hold on, listen me good now. You say, you don't know. This is what you say now. Lord, help this man. Help Mackie. Mackie, you say, you don't know. But in the same tokens of word, you say she did not communicate with this man in America because them say she and him did not go to school or used to work together. So in other words, you don't even have any evidence on what you are saying. Feel me? You see what I say? You don't even have any evidence to what is coming out of your mouth. Because what is coming out of your mouth is just you listening to what people say and using it to add up when it shouldn't even make sense. Because guess what happened? The relationship that was were the whole of them past tense, they gone already. So the thing is, you're getting up making videos, talking these things because you want people to dislike Alicia Kim. She and her mother is in New Jersey having a wonderful time, having a beautiful time, learning, knowing, understanding New Jersey. But you believe that no, sir, them no fi have no nice time. them no fi have no good time and me can't have none. You supposed to be able as a grown ass man, you supposed to be able to go out and have a wonderful time on your own. Instead, you sit down and make yourself look like just a nobody. You should be taking the time and the opportunity that time is giving you to go out and make the videos that you're making, the exercise videos, the food videos. Instead, you're out here trying to beat down a young girl who should I use this word? There's a word I want to use, you see? But I don't know if I should use that word. Guys, when you hear the thunder, I don't know if I should use this word. But what I have to say is this. You making these videos talking about what you think Alicia Kim was doing. And I go help you out. When I was in Jamaica, I have friends in America that I call and you talk to them, hi, hello, and wagwan, and we chat. When I come in America, we still chat. Yes, we still chat. And when I got divorced, listen to me good. When me get divorced, oh, you mean, yo, wagwan, you know, say me divorced now. Yes. But we were talking, chatting, laughing, hey, wagwan, and nothing out of the way. And after me get divorced, yes, we move from point A to point B because we are chatting, people are good people. It's what me I say, you feel me? So that's how life go. That's how life go. If you believe that because you and a person was together and you divorce the person, you gone about your business, and you believe that person's life should just shut off, so dog name your supper, something wrong with you. Because to be honest with you, you don't like to see when Alicia Kim mother coming to the United States because you have something to do with her coming to the United States, and you know that because Alicia Kim in the United States, that is what helped the mother to get the visa. So every time you see her in the United States, your body shimmer because you know say she had do good, because you wanted her was to be deported back to Jamaica. You wish she should have been in a Jamaica deported a suffer. That's what you did want for her. But that's the good Lord never make that happen. The good Lord never make that happen. Let me say this to you. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself at your age, 74, 75. Get up every day on social media, making video, talking about a young girl. Who you cheated on the woman that you was with. Hey, let me say something to you. You never hear them say, the same thing you do to somebody, the same thing will come back around upon you. You never hear that saying there. So let me say this to you. But let me say this to you. So what you are say, you see what you are say. Remember, say you was cheating on Betty. Was it Betty? Am I wrong or am I right? Remember, you was cheating on Betty with Alicia Kim. Remember, you used some of Betty money to buy some of the things them where you buy for Alicia Kim to make, for push out, for make, for spend money for try to get this young filly. Remember, say some of Betty money you use it pan Alicia Kim. So remember, turn back blow, the same game where you play with Alicia Kim when you were with Betty. You are trying to say the same game Alicia Kim play upon you. Me say trouble again. Mackie, hold on a little bit. Are you saying the same game that you play Pam Betty with Alicia Kim? Are you saying that you think it's the same game Alicia Kim play upon you? Me said up in no how to frighten. Whoa, hi. Trouble again. Mackie, the only thing me can say to you still, on the behalf of me, myself and I as a big man, and you as a big man, a grown ass man, cause so Mackie, me a 54. Hey Mackie, a 20-year-old I mean. Me rotted. Hey Mackie. You know what? At 20? Hold on. 54. 64. At 10 that you know. 74. At 10 more that you know. At 20 that you know. Mackie. Hold on. So you're a 20-year-old I mean, Mackie. Hey people, me don't want to come talk about how Mackie look better than me now. Because me look better than Mackie. Mackie look how Mackie look. Me look how me Rodney look. So we don't come talk about how Mackie look young and fresh on me. Me look my way, Mackie look film way, because Mackie I take all kind of specimen, substance and all kind of pill and tablets. Me not take none. Young, fresh and green. I like how me feel, you see. Me not take no supplement. Me not take nothing named pill. Nothing named Viagra. Hey, me not take none of them sitting there. A natural body this. Natural body. Naturality. Natural living. Anyway, Mackie. Leave off my lady, man. On a serious note. Stop make yourself look stupid. Let me tell you something, Mackie. Let me give you a business idea. Go in at the gym. Use the gym and your prostate cancer where you beat. Use it and farm a business. Sell t-shirt, muscle bag, duffel bag of you in at the gym. Mackie, take the gym, the health business, the things them way, and do a channel about the business part of lifting weight and substance and all those kind of things. Do a thing about substance abuse, because I love the abuse business, you know. Do a video about substance abuse, because you know those kind of things, and make wealth. Go out strong. When you left this earth, make your name depend this earth like Hulk Hogan. Remember, Hulk Hogan do a lot of things, you know, in our life, you know. Lot of bad things in our life. But guess what? When Hulk Hogan dead, he go out as a champion. He go out as a man of strength. That's the way you have to go out. And don't go out as a wimp, as a weak ass man we cannot take a broke up. Don't go out as a weak ass man we can't take Hold on, it's not a matter of can't take rejection, you know, because she never reject you. And you reject her and divorce her. So it's not a matter of rejection. So don't go out losing. Because you are fighter losing back, because you will never see that drawers again. You will never see that panty again. Never see them the kind of something again from her. Never in the history of life. You will never, ever, 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 ever see them the place there again. So cut it off. Sayonara. Done with it. Fling it away. Throw it away. And stop prayer for people bad. Stop prayer say bad things happen for people. Because guess what happen? God no work like that. God do not work like that. So in other words, you have prayer to Satan. And you see them sit where you listen.